Welcome back. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Now, staking in mango production refers to supporting the plant to ensure clean and unblemished fruits by keeping them off the ground, thereby increasing the marketability of the yield. Now, the purpose of staking is to help prevent mangoes from touching the ground, which can lead to damage and rot and diseases. Time staking is also done to support the tree and to give it strength. In no time, this mango tree will start bearing fruit and the branches are extremely down. It has to be staked. We have to use sticks to support this tree, to lift it up, so that as these fruits get bigger, the trunk of the tree can accommodate that weight. As you see, it's way down. So we are coming to demonstrate how mango trees are staked. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, like this video and share it to benefit other family and friends. The benefits of staking includes improved fruit quality by keeping fruits elevated. Staking helps ensure they remain clean and free from soil-borne pathogens. Also, staking helps to increase the marketability of the yield. So clean, undamaged fruits are more attractive to consumers and fetch higher prices than unclean and damaged ones. Also, staking helps easy harvesting of your mangoes. There are certain techniques in staking that we have to take them into consideration. The first one is the using stakes. Here, woods are used and other durable materials are driven into the ground near the tree trunk, providing support for the branches and the fruits. So as you can see here, that's exactly what we've done. Another technique of staking is the tying of branches. In this situation too, the branches are tied to woods, strong durable woods, to further secure them and prevent them from sagging. Now, one may ask, when do we stake mangoes? Typically, staking is done when the mango tree is young and the branches are still flexible, or when the tree is heavily laden with fruits. These are the best times to do staking in mango production. Also, there are varying differences between staking and pruning. Staking here can be combined with pruning techniques to further improve tree growth and fruit production. So staking and pruning can go hand in hand to help in mango production, provide good and great yields. Staking can also be used to control the height of your mango trees and other tree crops. So as you can see, staking helps a lot, and in mango production, staking plays a very vital role in ensuring that we come out with the optimum production. Like I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this vital information with other family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
You practice it because agric DIY idea. They can't say do it yourself. We in idea say I feel you could pull we wolf and kakra. Wa beti mi dia wolf you beti mi dia blah. Kakra officer men make can actually ashafo ni ya ashafo ni your subscribers for say we the and your friend is taking. Say the GIS support among the GI. Na mo ye chance ye na hwe mo hwe asemo hu. Enka ne na eduana te aba fom. Enso ye no say pagya amani shape. Ugina chire kura wutimi hu eduane. Wutimi hu ne stem no kama. Amani shape kama. Nti we nya de eden. Agric DIY de can say do it yourself. Betimi aye no fie ana kakra betimi aye. Yen practice it Then practice it. Oh, you know, for me and few. The crime is make a charge for me.
If you like today's video, share your thoughts in the comment section.